The following video has never been shown in Western Australia. If you're from WA, you may find it offensive.
Western Australia, famous for its natural wonders, booming economy and idyllic lifestyle. But if WA seems a little too good to be true, that's because it is. Time to bust a few WA myths.
It's a great tourist destination.
False! We've all seen the tourism imagery. This is allegedly a photograph of Cottesloe Beach. Look closer. Beaches simply cannot look this good.
This is what Cottesloe Beach really looks like.
How they did it? Photoshop trickery.
Phony baloney landmarks? That's so WA.
The weather's always perfect.
False!
WA's plagued by constant hailstorms. No wonder every car looks like this.
Minor cosmetic damage.
All the women in WA are super hot.
Lies!
WA's renowned for having the most beautiful women in the world. So where are the Plain Janes? Are they bussing them out to other states? Or is it something more sinister?
Plain Jane's mince.
Well, their economy's booming.
Totally false.
It's a pyramid scheme. See, the story they're peddling is they're selling iron ore to China. But iron doesn't exist on the periodic table. Never has. Have you checked? And that's not the half of it. China doesn't even exist either. They fooled everyone.
Duping the world with a fake mining boom? That's so WA.
They have a unique state bird.
Oh, give me a break!
What is a black swan really? Well, it's a common crow they force-fed to obesity. The feet are sawn off and duck's feet grafted on. The neck is broken and stretched. And they finish it off by soldering on a goose beak. No wonder black swans have got such a foul temper. WA's so proud of their abomination, they put it on the state flag. The sick bastards. Even Steven Sealberg's leaving WA. He knows it's just too good to be true. They've got massive wine regions.
Alcoholics.
They're state sports, quokka soccer.
Monsters.
They cull sharks because they're secretly in love with them.
Gay for sharks.
Don't go to WA! Why not come to South Australia instead? Honest, reliable, steady as she goes. And Adelaide's a pretty good city. There's free face painting for the kids. Forget WA. South Australia's your best option outside of the eastern states. Authorised by the South Australian Commerce and Tourism Board.